do you guys think? Can I turn this into this? Honestly, I don't know. But if I can turn toilet paper into a wedding dress, money into couture, and of course trash bags into high fashion, well, I think I can do this one too.
What is up, beautiful pumpkin pies? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I got pumpkin on the brain because I'm wearing orange, but that's aside the point. So today we're doing a DIY. You guys know I love doing crafts. I love making prom dresses for cheap, celebrity-inspired things for cheap, and most of all, making stuff out of stuff. You've seen me make things out of all sorts of things, so today I thought it'd be fun to go back to my roots and make a dress out of another nonsense material. Flowers. I saw dresses like this on Tumblr and I just thought they were so beautiful, so I thought I'd kind of do my own version today. So without further ado, here we go. Making a dress out of flowers. How am I gonna do this? I don't know, but let's find out. Orange, you glad it's time for the outfit of the day? Alright, we are rocking some serious orange today because why not? Hi, Angel Bear. You're so cute. Hi, honey. I love you. So, for today's outfit of the day, we've got this glam little orange dress here. This is by Meshki. So cute. Ooh, peachy. And for our bag, we have this $80,000 really rare Birkin. Of course, I'm kidding. I actually got this on Amazon a long time ago, but I think it's like so good of a knockoff, they literally took it off the website. But anyways, that's what we're gonna be carrying today. Full sneakers. Ooh, we got some cool sockless kicks for fun. Bye, baby. You love them, don't you, Jorby? And then I have my hair in this fun little like retro hairdo for no reason. I just thought it would be cool. And after Josh did it in that video, I've been like obsessed with it. So that is what we're wearing today to go on our downtown adventure. And here we go. Bye, honey bear, I love you. Love you. I love you. Goodbye. All right, onward, ho, we go. Boop. Ba-rum, bum, bum. Ooh. It's a beautiful March day. Oh, we love March in Los Angeles. Ah, yes, the beautiful downtown LA. Alrighty, we are hitting up my favorite craft store to buy some goodies, aka flowers. So let's see what we got. Oh my, well, per the usual, there are dozens of, oh my god, and they're on sale, hell yeah. But yeah, we got lots of flowers to choose from, so, what color scheme are we going with? Red? White? Ooh, gorgeous. This is so cute. It makes me so happy to see flowers, even if they're fake. I don't know. Oh my goodness, for me, I shouldn't have. I think these will do. Woo! Woo! Alrighty, we got our flowers. Now, time to get the materials for the dress. Alright, we gotta get a corset, so let's see. What's gonna work the best here? Too many choices. I think this might work. Oh, it's so sunny, but of course we had to say hi to Ben before we go. Hi, Ben.
Hello.
So unfortunately, can you believe we're not doing a DIY with crystals today?
No.
I know.
What are we doing then?
We're doing a flower dress. So sad. But we said hi anyway.
Love you guys.
Oh my goodness, my sweet little muffin man. Hi, baby. I missed you.
So it is now officially nighttime because I stopped for dinner and did a lot of other things, but are you guys ready to see what we got for this project? Yes, you are. So here we go. Okay, so here's what we got. We got a bunch of feathers, what are these? These are flowers. A bunch of flowers because duh, dress out of flowers. Of course, we have our trusty E6000 glue because, well, duh, it's my project. We picked up this little thingy to be the base of the dress and basically that's what we got here. So let's get started.
Alrighty, so how exactly am I going to make this dress while having no concept of how to do it? Well, I don't know, but here we go anyway. So what I ended up doing was taking the little chunks of the flowers that I got and of course grabbing the trusty E6000 glue, literally gluing them directly onto the bodice. Literally just put a little glue on there, and then, you know, grab the flowers and just kind of press them right on. Yeah, not rocket science, but that's literally what I did. So one by one, I went ahead and kind of just put them all over the bodice. You can see I decorated it slowly but surely until the whole thing was covered in the flowers. Ooh, 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 flower power. We love that. All right, great. That actually only took like 20 minutes, so that was cool. Then, of course, we moved along to the skirt. So you can see I got this skirt on Amazon. It's a great little tulle high-low skirt kind of thing. So this is what we're going to use for the base of the dress here on the bottom. So we are just going to go ahead and take the flowers, again, glue them right onto the skirt here. You can see like that. Same thing as before, just glue and plop them right on there. Same thing, we're gonna do it on the bottom. Hi, George. So we're just gonna go ahead and glue the flowers right on the bottom in a nice little line. Kind of go ahead and do them up in a line too, so kind of cascades off the base there like that. So you can see it looks like so on the bottom. Ooh, pretty. Now at the top of the skirt, I'm going to kind of take some of these other flowers and I'm just going to kind of make them go in a little line, kind of cascading down from the base so it'll blend in with the top a little more. Say hi to George again because he really wants to be part of this project. While you're doing this, make sure you play some tunes. I can't play tunes for copyright reasons, but just know I'm jamming to good old Ariana. I want it, I got it. So after gluing all of that together, the skirt will kind of look like this. You can see, very nice, very nice. The star of the video, Sir George Biscuit. Okay, sorry, back to the actual project. So if I put the top next to the skirt, it will kind of look like this. Sorry, this wasn't really like too descriptive of a project, but it genuinely was super easy. All I did was glue the flowers right on. Literally, that's all I did. So you can do whatever design you want, whatever color you want, and eventually it will look like this. So are you guys ready to see? Da-na-na-na-na, drum roll, please.
All right, guys, are you ready? Are you ready to see it? Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, I'm like a florally princess. I'm sitting down because I took an Instagram photo sitting down, but here you can see the finished dress. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. This literally looks like something you would see on Pinterest. Somebody put this on Pinterest for me, okay? Princess of Flowers. You can see the bottom of the dress looks absolutely gorgeous. It's completely covered in the roses at the base, and I kind of trailed them up all the way along the side too to create kind of an extra glam effect on the skirt there. I feel like a little fairy. So you can see all the flowers all done up on there. They look so, so good, kind of fading right into the skirt there. Super florally, super cute. I low-key could actually wear this as a shirt. Custom haute couture. Ooh, flower power. I don't know any flower puns off the top of my head. I'm gonna have to Google some. Roses, roses, daisy, flower. I don't know. I can't think of any flower puns off the top of my head, but now that is what I call fabulous. Flower fabulous. And the best part is your outfit's gonna be customs, because no matter where you go, ain't nobody gonna be wearing this.
This is a great idea, not just for this video, but if you want to get a shorter version, you guys can do this for baby showers in any color, like an all blue dress would be super cute, an all pink dress for a girl, or it doesn't matter, whatever color you want, because colors don't have gender. You do you. Super fun for prom, or just a fun little photo shoot. So have fun, get creative, do whatever, and please tag me in pics if you guys do it. I love to see them, but...
Oh! Gorgeous. Oh my God. This is the most aesthetic thing I've ever had on my channel, I think. Ready for the Met Gala that I'm not invited to. At YouTube, invite me, please. I could pose on the floor in this all day. Prince Charming, where are you? I love it. And when you walk, it's so glamorous. Oh, da-da, da-da. Oh, just the outfit to go gardening in. Absolutely frickin' wow, it's beautiful. Tell me this is not the prettiest dress you've ever seen. Beautiful. The base of the dress is where we really had a lot of fun. Like you can see, oh my goodness. Wow. Overall, I would say we frickin' nailed it. Ooh, nailed it. So there you have it, you guys. That is me making a prom dress or just a glamorous dress out of flowers. I hope you guys loved the video. I am so, so proud of this one. I think this is one of the best DIYs I ever did. So on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that YouTubery stuff. Of course, follow me on Instagram at Scholl, and I will see you guys soon. Happy creating. I love ya. From me and some very florally kisses to you. XO.
All right, time to look up some flower puns. Let's see, what do we got here? Flower puns that will make your daisy. That's good. I lilac you a lot. These are good. Sometimes I love you tulip much. You grow, girl. Ooh, that one's really good. I like that one. This will be the best day ever. Oh, I love it. I believe in you. I would never leave you. I'm rooting for you. Oh my God, tell me why this one made me die. Wow. God, I should have Googled this before I did the video.